Just want to say happy birthday, Josh. Great birthday. Damn, man. Oh, come on. Blow that, blow that, blow that. Is it hula-hoo?
No. Watch this, guys. Watch it. Hi, guys. What the heck is going on?
No, you need helium for that.
That's just how my voice is, huh?
Let's go.
Okay. Wait, I don't know how to move. What? I don't know how to move this person. I didn't listen to it. I was doing the 99.
Oh, Seisha! Hey, look at this birthday boy.
Go with her to Miss Person. We're not gonna go in
Hey, sing Misery Business.
I don't know the whole lyrics.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. Oh.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, John.
How big do you want it?
You know.
No, you want it long too. Oh no.
Just big.
Oh, your baby died. It blew up. How does that happen? In 3 pieces.
He's a unicorn. Oh, I saw Donovan yesterday. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I saw Donovan yesterday.
I know.
I didn't say hi.